Hey y'all, so I have been collecting these Coach notebooks like a lot of the girlies have recently. And recently I've used the Hey Yellow one, just all different ones. But right now I'm using the powder pink. And I have been using different types of things inside of my notebook. I haven't used the binder as of yet, but I purchased the rings. But I recently stumbled across and someone may have mentioned it in their video, but I don't remember it, but the Bloom planner. And this fits so perfect in here because I tried the Happy Planner. I didn't want to go out and buy the mini, go out and buy one. I know I had one that I did not use, so I even took like my correction tape, white out, and tried to undate it and redate it and everything. But it was a little short here and it was a little small, but this was perfect. I got this off of Amazon, and it is the Bloom planner. And so it's the Bloom planner and it fits perfect. It has a pocket here. It also has like a sheet of stickers that it gives you. It was really affordable, y'all. I want to say it was like $14 or $12. And it's an academic planner, so it starts in July, and then it has like all these different other prompts of headers. I didn't put too much in here so far, but different things you can put in here. And this one is dated from July to July of next year. Let's see, it has this year's vision, my ideal week, and then some other things in here and some notes. And I just thought this was perfect for these notebooks. And then you still have a little bit more space to add maybe a journal. I didn't set up my tripod, y'all. A journal. You can put a journal there or create some type of pocket over here to put the journal. And this is from the Dollar Tree. So the Crown Jewels ones. And you can sit that right there on top. I don't have it in the slot right now, but I like this planner because it's affordable. I didn't want to invest in a whole lot. And then, let me show you. I didn't even show you the monthly. So the monthly looks like that. So fairly good writing amount space. And then the weekly looks like this. So it looks like that. And then I went ahead, and since I got that off of Amazon, I purchased like some stickers, and they came like the very next day. Some of them range from $7.99 to $14. Some of them were $9.99. I think this one was maybe $7 or $10. This one was $14. I didn't need any more stickers, y'all, but I just wanted these because I knew they fit perfectly in this planner. This is the meal planning one and the household chore one, but I'm going to take those out of each of the pockets. And I got this years ago off of Amazon. I don't like this cover, but you can turn it inside out. I'm going to pull this out. It was a 2-pack. And I'm going to put these stickers, each sticker sheet, because you get a pack of 8 sheets in here. I'm going to flip it on one side, front and back, and then have them all in one booklet. So I don't know if they still have this or not, but I'm going to pull this out and turn it on the other side, and then maybe decorate it or something like that, because I had this one for quite several years. So I'm loving that planner setup. It works. It fills out the notebook from top to bottom, and then I don't have to worry about the other options that I have, y'all. That this was an impromptu video. I did put the Happy Planner in there, and this is the Bambi Disney one they had last year. And see, it's a little small, and I just didn't like that. I just didn't like it. You had this extra space over here and at the top. And then I did really like these planners, and they were really affordable. Someone mentioned this on their YouTube video, and I actually got these before I saw the YouTube video, like probably maybe 2 years ago or a year ago. These are task planners from Walmart, and they were mentioning it to, I think, to go in these notebooks, but also that they were selling out they weren't going to bring these back, discontinued. So you may check your Walmart. They may still have some, but these are really simple daily ones, and they do fit really well in these notebooks. So your cover may look slightly different. My original ones, because these were like $2 to $3. They weren't that much. And I did try the mini planner, the mini iPad, I'm sorry. I did try that, and you would just flip this back and fold it underneath here to go into the sleeve so that your iPad can stay in place, or you can keep it closed like that if you want. I'm just not consistent with my digital planning like I want to. I really want to, is that makeup or a shadow? I really want to get into digital planning even more, have all the things, but I just not consistent. And so anyway, those are the things that I've tried, but so far I really like the Passionate, why I keep saying that, the Bloom planner, y'all. The Bloom planner, and then just have my journal up here to write down whatever. It could be Bible study notes, it could be sermon notes from church, or it could be just my thoughts for the day. And they always have these, or not always, but lately I've been seeing them at the Dollar Tree. But that's it. That's all I want to share. That's it. That's all. Bye.